This is about the most glittery oil I've ever seen. It's very pretty, but that should never come out of your transmission. Let's crawl underneath here and see what we're working with. I don't think this is gonna be great. Based on the metal, this should be really pretty coming out. Oh my God. I've never seen oil that color. Oh my. The drain plug's not too bad. It's not magnetic. Look at it. It's just synchros. Wow. All right. Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, when I did the drag racing, there were some issues at the end of that video. I'm gonna be dropping the tranny because in my last video, I might have did some stuff. I'll show you the video real quick of my oil coming out. That was about the most beautiful color of paint you could imagine if it wasn't supposed to be oil. I think I found where my synchros went. They definitely went through the gears. I'm hoping for minimal gear damage. Anywho, let's get right into it. Tear this thing down, drop this tranny out, and see what we're working with. There's metal in the bottom, but there's no big pieces at all. Why is it purple?
Smoke that bushing, it got hot. Because that doesn't turn when you're moving.
Yeah.
With the clutch out, that's not turning.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, you know, it's just with the speed of the crank.
needle bearings. Or, ooh.
What?
Pieces of needle bearings.
Uh-oh.
Hold up. Oh, lots of pieces of needle bearings. I don't think they're that sharp.
Yeah, I think so.
It's stuck on that gear. Why was...
Which gear? Cluster gear? What? I can't see it.
Touch them.
Oh, they broke.
No. Touch them if you can't feel them.
Wow, way to go. Remember which way that goes.
Yeah. Oh, the camera can't see too much in here because of all of this, but... Oh, it's annihilated.
What is?
The end of the main shaft.
Yeah, the bearings where its bearings ride.
Oh, it is. Oh my God. There's supposed to be some needle bearings in there, and they self-destructed and they ate that outer race up. Those used to be needle bearings and some other parts, but now they're trying to turn into ball bearings, as you can tell by that one right there. So those are not going back in. And unfortunately, the main shaft was also damaged severely. As you can tell, when all that was going away, it just ate itself up. I thought it was stuck in 4th gear, and I was expecting a 4th gear synchro issue, but turns out the reason it was feeling stuck in 4th gear is because any gear but 4th gear runs this bearing, and that's why the grinding noise was increasingly worse the lower the gear was. So lots of damage. Gotta try to find some parts, and also gotta try to figure out how I'm gonna take the input shaft out. Aside from this, everything else looks good. Gears are in great shape. Synchros definitely need replacing anyways. So, well, that's it for the teardown. Once I get an update, probably do an update video of putting it all back together. I got other videos to release, so I might include updates as I release those other videos. I'm actually pretty happy we didn't destroy the gear set. Got to get some ideas on parts and prices, and if I want to put this back together and what it's going to cost, or if I want to upgrade it. On that note, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.